Hi fellas, this is Chemaddcts again to the solution. Welcome back to my another video tutorial. Well, today we're gonna study core mathematics problems. Okay. Today we're gonna solve core mathematics problems. Okay. So today's topic is differentiate by using product rule. So what we will do in this video, we will solve a problem involving product rule. What things we gonna learn from this video? We will learn some of the basic concepts that are involved with the problem relating product rule. Okay. Summary of this video. Here we will learn to solve an advanced problem, apply the basic concepts of indices, surds and factorization, apply the easiest steps of for avoiding mistakes, solve the problem in a well organized manner, apply the product rule. Okay, so this is the study questions for today. So today we're gonna solve this question. Find the value of dy by dx at the point 436 on the curve with equation y is equals to 3x plus 3x multiplied by 2x plus 1 to the power half. Okay. So let's solve this problem. So now at first let us study the question. Okay. Find the value of dy by dx at the particular point. This is the particular point on the curve with equation y is equals to excuse me y is equals to 3x multiplied by 2x plus 1 to the power half. Okay, so the question asked us to find the value of dy by dx at the particular point this. Okay. Okay, so at first let us write the equation given in the question. 3x multiplied by 2x plus 1 to the power half. Okay, so at first let us let the parts. Okay, so let us let this part as u is equals to 3x. Okay, now let us let this part as v, 2x plus 1 to the power half. So we have break the expression into two parts. Okay, so this part is u and this part is v. Okay, so now what we gonna do is we gonna differentiate u with respect to x. At first we gonna differentiate u with respect to x. Okay, du by dx, which is 3. Okay, so first we have break the expression. We have break this expression into two parts. The first part is u and the second part is v. Okay, and then we have differentiate u with respect to x. Okay, and now we are going to differentiate v with respect to x. Okay, so this will give us as dv by dx. Okay, so we gonna differentiate v with respect to x. So okay, let me write this down over there. Dv by dx Now we are going to differentiate the second part of this equation. So if we differentiate, then we'll get, okay, at first let us discuss how we gonna differentiate v with respect to x. We gonna apply the chain rule in order to differentiate v with respect to x, as we have done earlier. Okay? So now we are applying the chain rule. So this power comes over here. Okay, now we're gonna leave this as it is, and we're gonna subtract half with 1. So this will give, okay, half minus 1. And now we're gonna differentiate the inside part. Okay, so this will give us as 2. Okay, differentiating 2x gives us 2, and the differentiating 1 will give us 0. Okay, this is how it goes. Now we're gonna simplify this term, and we will get something like this, minus half. Okay, so we have found two parts over here. One is du by dx and another one is dv by dx. Okay, and there are other pairs. There are other pair which is the value of u is this and the value of v is this. Okay, now we're gonna utilize these four values over here. Okay, so now we are going to differentiate y with respect to x. Okay, this thing means differentiating y with respect to x. Okay, this is the meaning of this term. Okay, now since we can see that since this is in the term, this is in the form of this thing, uh, y is equals to uv. Okay, y is equals to uv. So we can write this equation. Okay, okay, let me write this over here. Y is equals to u v. Since it is in the form of this term, so we can use this formula. Okay, dy by dx, so this will give this term u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay, so this is called the product rule. So this is called the product rule. Okay, so now we're gonna solve these problems by using the product rule. So now let us substitute the value of u dv by dx, v du by dx. Okay, so the value of u is 3x, dv by dx, the value of dv by dx is 2x plus 1, 2x, the value of the value of u is 3x, the value of dv by dx is 2x plus 1, which is value of dv by dx is 2x plus 1 to the power minus half, plus the value of v is 2x plus 1 to the power half, and the value of du by dx is 3. So let us rearrange this equation. 2x plus 1 to the power minus half plus 3, 2x plus 1 to the power half. So now we're gonna factorize these terms. Okay, so we gonna take common. So here 3 is common here, common over here. So we're gonna take 3 common, and there is another two terms over here, 2x plus 1 to the power minus half and 2x plus 1 to the power half. Now confusion arises over here, so which one we gonna take common? So here we gonna take which one is negative. For this case we gonna take the term which has the negative power. Okay, so we're gonna take minus half. Okay, so we're gonna take this term as common. Since 3 and 3 is common over here, and we're gonna take this common, so we're gonna discuss this later on, why we have taken this term as common. Okay, let's see now how it becomes when we take this as common. So obviously this will become x obviously this will become x, since we have taken this common, plus 3 is gone over here. So what will be the result after taking this common? So this will become 2x plus 1 to the power 1. So how does it become 2x plus 1 to the power 1? Let me explain. While we have taken common, so this becomes 1. uh, okay, the result of this becomes 1, but for this, well, let me explain this again. So if we take this as common, okay, then we need to divide this with this. Okay, so if we divide this with this, then the power would become, okay, then the power would become, okay, then the power would be subtracted. Okay, half minus minus half. So this is how we're gonna get half plus half 1. So this is how it becomes power 1. Okay, let me summarize this thing again. If we take this negative power term, if we take this negative power as common, so we need to divide this with this. So by subtracting this we get this result. So our main objective is to form linear factors. Okay, this is a linear factors. Our main objective in this problem is to form linear factors. Okay, here we need to form linear factors. For that we have taken negative power as common. So if we take positive power over here as common, this won't become the linear factor, it will become something else. Okay, so that's why we have taken the negative power term as common. Okay, I hope that you have understood. So if you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, the comment section is open for you. So let us now evaluate this whole thing. Then this will become x plus 2x plus 1. Okay, since this is power 1, so this becomes this. So here 2x plus 1 to the power minus half, 3x plus 1. Okay, so this is the ultimate answer. So I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson. I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson as well as this solution. So I'm hoping that I have I'm able to clear your confusion. Okay, well, this is the end of today's tutorial. Best of luck.